Never where I thought I'd be. Just shy of 4 months ago. Does your love come with a guarantee? A promise that you'll never let me go. I've walked through darkness many nights, but you're the light that guided me back home. Time to board this flight, but now I'm here, so please don't let me go. I'm not quite sure what keeps us here. All that matters now is that we are, and if I live 100 years, I'm certain that you still hold my heart. The heartbreak left and break. You learned too young the meaning of goodbye. I know that we both frayed our wings, but with the strength we chose to fly. Our hearts are both worn on our sleeves. I know we often feel the great unknown, but if I swore I'd never leave, would you promise me you'll never ever go? So can we make this last? Promise I won't hurt. Tell me when the rough times hit, you'll find to make it work. There is no one else who'll love you like I do. I've lived my life in solitude. I'm better now with you, so please don't let me go. Please don't let me go. Please don't let me go. Is this where you thought you'd be? Just shy of 4 months ago. My love comes with a guarantee, a promise that I'll never let you go.
Hallelujah.